Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable the game mode on Roku in 2026. So you need to understand one thing. Game mode is a TV setting and not a separate application. It works by reducing processing delay so that your controller responds faster. So in order to enable it, first of all, you need to turn on your console or the game. Afterwards, simply press this star button on your Roku remote while on that input. This is going to open the quick settings menu. Now inside the menu, you just have to scroll down and select the option of picture settings. When you are inside picture settings, you are going to see the option of game mode. It will also be with the name of low latency mode. After selecting it, you just have to simply turn it on. Once enabled, your TV will reduce the input delays instantly. So make sure that your console is connected to the correct HDMI input, and game mode usually applies per input. So you will need to enable it for the exact port that you are using. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.